Hey everybody, it is the Honey Badger, and today we are going to be trying out Adams Polishes, their iron remover, and that's going to remove rust spots that are on the surface of the clear coat of your paint. We're going to get in close here for a second, bear with me. It's going to be slightly difficult to find some of these or get this to focus up, but hopefully you can see all these little speckles and dots. I know this is just a small section here, but you can see them there. That's all over the rear of this car. There's more over here and up and across, and you can just kind of all speckled all throughout. I don't know how well you'll be able to see it in the video. I'll try to punch it up if I need to, but all these little speckles and spots, the car's wet because I'm washing it. You're supposed to wash it first and then spray this and treat it. And those are all over the back of this. And that can be from your brake dust, it can be from the road, it can be from anything, honestly. And if you don't wash your car all the time and you have a light colored vehicle, you might see these on your car. So we're gonna try this iron remover. It's supposed to change and turn purple after it activates to remove it from the surface. And clay barring it hasn't removed it from the vehicle. I tried a little bit of clay bar. So we're gonna try this. We'll see how it goes, and hopefully it removes some of these spots. So we've just sprayed it on, and you can actually see it's turning purple and it's running where the rust marks are. And you can only see this small section here, but there's actually more off. If I zoom out, maybe we can see it. You can kind of see it. There's more even happening all over to the left over here and to the right. And I only sprayed this small section. Now the big thing is it says don't let it dry on the vehicle and let it sit for 1 to 5 minutes. So I'll probably let it sit for a minute. We'll probably spray it off with a hose and see how everything looks in a moment. But just now you can see it's doing something, and it's cutting through, it's turning purple, and it's running. So it looks like it is doing its job. So pretty impressed so far. Let's see how much it actually removes once we rinse everything off. So we sprayed that small section a second ago. Now we sprayed the whole back, and now we just have all of these purple spots that you can kind of see starting to run and drip kind of all over the place. So they might be hard to see. I don't know how well the camera focuses up on some of these lines or how well I can hold the camera, but you can kind of see them. I mean, there's just all these little purple streaks everywhere because those are all small iron spots on the paint. So it's doing something. We'll let this do this. Maybe we'll treat it a couple times and we'll spray it off and we'll see how it looks when we're done. So check this out. This is actually like a stained, like brake dust spot on these wheels. Like the rest of the wheels, like okay, but there was like an actual deep stain over here that wouldn't scrub out. I sprayed it on. It's actually doing work. So we'll see how this turns out in a second too, and see how much it cuts through this caked on brake dust stain on this side of this wheel. Well, I've lost most of my shade, and it says to do it on cool paint, so I'm gonna wait a little bit to do like a second coat, but I did dry the rest of the car. But looking at it up close, I haven't gotten all of it out yet. Let's see if I can get over to where I was. Let's see, focus up. It's gonna be bright now, that's the only problem. There's still some very light ones. I'm almost positive I won't be able to get the camera to focus up on any of them because they're so much smaller now, but it definitely did take a ton of those rust spots off of the car. So actually I'm pretty impressed so far. I think a couple more, treatments, maybe the next time I wash or later, if the sun goes down, we get cool paint again, I'll just spot treat some areas that are bad, but definitely did some work. So I'll leave you a link down below in the description to check that out. I might try it on my car on the wheels since they are pretty brake dusty. We'll see how well it works. But for now, make sure you are subscribed with the bell notifications on. Links are down below in the description. Bust a like on the video, and I'll see all you guys in the next one.